Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Pearl. Nakapag-vlog na naman ako ulit. I'm so happy guys, and I'm very thankful na nakapag-vlog na ako ulit kasi it's been a long time na hindi po ako nag-vlog. So, ngayon kailangan consistent, pero ang hirap, no? But anyway, salamat. Thank you for this opportunity na makapag-vlog ako ulit kasi may oras ako, nag-iba na yung oras ko sa trabaho. So may time po ako. Just to share with you na I'm so blessed, grateful naman talaga ako always. And because for today's vlog, it's a special one. It's really special for me because I finally got my permanent resident visa in New Zealand. Kulit. Hindi lang naman ako, but also my family, my husband and kids. We were supposed to apply last April, pero hindi ko napansin na expired na pala yung passport ng bunso ko. We also applied for a passport renewal, pero sabi nila aabutin daw ng 7 to 9 weeks. Ang tagal, di ba? Good thing the Philippine Embassy had a mobile renewal here in New Zealand, kaya nakakuha ako ng online appointment. Ay, to be honest, I admit it was my fault. Hindi ko na-check yung passport expiry niya. So we just have to wait na lang kung kailan darating yung passport niya. No rush. We've had a resident visa for 2 years na. So ang next step is to apply the permanent resident. After 3 years of having a permanent resident visa, so you are eligible to apply for New Zealand citizenship. Ang binayaran namin para sa application ng permanent resident was $315 New Zealand dollar for the whole family. I think after 3 years you might receive an email from the New Zealand immigration na saying you are entitled to apply for citizenship, but I'm not really sure. When we lodge our PR application, we received the PR approval in just 3 to 4 days. Napakabilis. Lakas ng ulan. We are blessed and grateful that our permanent resident visa approved. Hindi naging madali ang lahat, no? But we should always include God in our journey sa buhay natin, no? There were many ups and downs, but by God's grace, we survive. So, grateful lang, thankful, and always manalangin sa Panginoon na gabayan tayo sa lahat ng plano, bigyan tayo ng wisdom. Hindi naman tayo pababayaan God eh. Basta may faith tayo sa Kanya, di ba? Our next and final step is the New Zealand citizenship. Oh, sarap siguro ng feeling na kiwi ka na, black passport na yung hahawakan mo, no? Sarap soon, but still, dasal lang, dasal. Walang tigil yung dasal, and thankful. Every day, you are blessed. May purpose ka dito sa mundo. Diba? Huwag mawala ng pag-asa hanggat buhay pa tayo. Go lang. Pasasamahan ng dasal. Yun lang. May faith ka kay God. That's all for today. And always be grateful and humble. Bye!